ASMR car restoration full rebuild of silver Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing 1955 from abandoned condition to looking new. 1. Wide static shot of a junkyard at dawn. The silver 300SL buried under dust and weeds, winds softly moving rusted brass. 2. Close-up of oxidized Mercedes star, fingers gently brushing dirt away, dry metallic scrape sound. 3. Slow pan across cracked silver paint, fingertips tracing faded curves, dust falling in silence. 4. ASMR hose rinse begins, gentle water washing decades of grime from the hood. 5. Soft sponge glides over headlight glass, cloudy surface slowly revealing clarity. 6. Door creaks open upward, hinges groaning quietly, dust drifting in sunlight. 7. Foam cannon blankets the car, thick white foam sliding down panels slowly. 8. Soft bristle brush circles emblem and trim, rhythmic brushing sounds. 9. Wheel arches strut gentle, mud dissolving under steady water flow. 10. Undercarriage rinse, water droplets falling in slow motion. 11. Microfiber towel glides over roofline, revealing silver beneath oxidation. 12. Final rinse leaves car damp, reflections faintly returning. Interior dismantling. 13. Camera enters cabin, cracked leather seats shown in stillness. 14. Gloves slowly remove steering wheel, bolt loosening with muted click. 15. Seat rails unscrewed one by one, screws placed neatly on tray. 16. Leather seat lifted out, dust puffing softly into air. 17. Carpet peeled back carefully, brittle fibers cracking gently. 18. Dashboard switches removed, each click isolated and crisp. 19. Door panels detached, old clips releasing with soft pops. 20. Bare interior shell revealed, silent and skeletal. 21. Close-up of rusted floor pan, inspection light moving slowly. 22. Wire brush strokes rust flakes away, granular ASMR texture. 23. Grinder lightly kisses metal, sparks drifting in slow motion. 24. Treated metal wiped clean with solvent-soaked cloth. 25. Suspension arms removed, bolts loosening with deep metallic sounds. 26. Control arms sandblasted, surface transforming smoothly. 27. Fresh bushings pressed in slowly, rubber creaking softly. 28. Brake components dismantled, calipers separated methodically. Engine rebuild and undercarriage detailed. 29. Hood opens upward, engine revealed under decades of grime. 30. Engine bay degreased, foam dissolving oil residue. 31. Intake components removed, clamps releasing quietly. 32. Cylinder head lifted slowly, precision movement emphasized. 33. Pistons cleaned by hand, carbon gently scraped away. 34. Crankshaft polished, cloth moving rhythmically. 35. Valves seated carefully, soft tapping sounds. 36. Engine block repainted factory gray, spray even and calm. 37. Engine reassembled piece by piece, torque wrench clicks softly. 38. Undercarriage detail, brushed aluminum glowing under lights. Bodywork, priming and painting. 39. Bare body mounted on rotisserie, slowly rotated. 40. Dent repair hammer taps gently from inside panel. 41. Body filler spread thin, smooth scraping sound. 42. Sanding begins, long strokes creating soft grit ASMR. 43. Entire body uniformly sanded, matte finish revealed. 44. Compressed air blows dust away, particles floating. 45. Primer sprayed evenly, mist settling in slow motion. 46. Wet sanding primer, water dripping steadily. 47. Final silver paint coat applied, glossy waves forming. 48. Clear coat sprayed, reflections deepening instantly. Polishing and reassembly. 49. Paint curing under warm lights, stillness emphasized. 50. Polisher glides across hood, mirror shine emerging. 51. Chrome trim polished by hand, cloth whispering softly. 52. Gullwing doors reinstalled, hinges tightened precisely. 53. Glass panels lowered into place, suction. Cups releasing. 54. Restored wheels mounted, lug nuts torqued evenly. 55. Interior sound deadening laid carefully. 56. Fresh carpet installed, fibers brushed flat. 57. Reupholstered leather seats lowered gently inside. 58. Steering wheel installed. Center badge aligned perfectly. 59. Dashboard switches reconnected. Subtle clicks echo. 60. Door panels pressed into place. Snug fit sound. 61. Engine bay final wipe down. Surfaces immaculate. 62. Oil poured slowly. Amber liquid flowing smoothly. 63. Ignition key turned halfway. Gauges wake silently. 64. Engine starts softly. Refined mechanical hum. 65. Exhaust note steady. Camera lingering beneath car. 66. Exterior final wash. Water beading perfectly. 67. Hand applied wax buck slowly. Circular motion. 68. Mercedes emblem polished to mirror finish. 69. Gullwing doors open simultaneously in slow motion. 70. Sunlight washes over flawless silver paint. 71. Slow 360 degrees walk around. Reflections crisp and clean. 72. Interior close-ups. Stitching, switches, gauges. 73. Engine bay hero shot. Everything factory perfect. 74. Wheel detail close-up. Tire lettering sharp. 75. Headlights switched on. Warm glow. 76. Car rolls slowly out of workshop. 77. Tires crunch softly on gravel. 78. Static beauty shot in golden hour light. 79. Final emblem close-up. Silence returns. 80. Fade out on pristine 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing.